പോയിടാം നാം യേശുവിനായി സാക്ഷികളായിടാം. പോയിടാം നാം.
A reading from the book of Judith, chapter 4, verses 1 to 15. When the Israelites living in Judea heard of everything that Holofernes, the general of Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Assyrians, had done to the nations, and how he had plundered and destroyed all their temples, they were therefore greatly terrified at his approach. They were alarmed both for Jerusalem and for the temple of their Lord their God, for they had only recently returned from exile, and all the people of Judea had now gathered together, and the sacred vessels and the altar and the temple had been consecrated after their profanation. So they sent word to every district of Samaria, and to Kona, and to Beth-horon, Belmeon, and Jericho, and to Choba, and to Asura, and the valley of Esalim. They immediately seized all high hilltops and fortified the villages on them, stored up food in preparation of war, since their fields had recently been harvested. The high priest Joachim, who was in Jerusalem at the time, wrote to the people of Bethulia and Betamestion, which faces Esdraelon, opposite the plain near Dothan, ordering them to seize the mountain passes, since by them Judea could be invaded, and it would be easy to stop any who tried to enter, for the approach was narrow, wide enough for only two at a time to pass. So the Israelites did as they had been ordered by the high priest Joachim and the senate of whole people of Israel in session at Jerusalem. And every man of Israel cried out to the God with great fervor, and they humbled themselves with much fasting. They and their wives and their children and their cattle and their every resident alien and hired laborer and purchased slave, they all put sackcloth around their waist. And all the Israelite men, women, and children living at Jerusalem prostrated themselves before the temple and put ashes on their heads and spread out sackcloths before the Lord. They even wrapped the altar with sackcloth and cried out in unison, praying fervently to the God of Israel, not to allow their infants to be carried off and their wives to be taken as booty, and towns they had inherited to be destroyed, and sanctuary to be profaned and desecrated to the malicious joy of Gentiles. The Lord heard their prayers and had regard for their distress, for the people fasted many days throughout Judea and in Jerusalem before the sanctuary of Lord Almighty. The high priest Joachim and all the priests who stood before the Lord and ministered to the Lord with sackcloth around their loins offered the daily burnt offerings, votive offerings, freewill offerings of the people. With ashes to them to their turbans, they cried out to the Lord with all their might to look with favor on all the house of Israel.
പോയിടാം നാം ലോകം മുഴുവനും, പോയിടാം സുവിശേഷവുമായി, പോയിടാം നാം